disappointed. That would be a word I would find. Not to get through to the second round, as we was like probably the better team on the football side anyway, the better team. So disappointment, but at the same time, we could have been better yesterday than we was. If it would have been like the first leg, I felt that we would have got the win that we needed or the goal that we needed. So I felt, our best wasn't good enough yesterday. And if it would have been better yesterday, we probably would have got the goal. Penalties are penalties, and I've said it before and I say it again. It's a lottery, and I keep reading stories and, well, don't you train set plays? Well, of course you train set plays. Why? I'm not doing my job if I'm not doing set plays, So we practice penalties, and the goalkeeper's got nothing to lose, and the person who's taking has got everything to lose. So unfortunately for us yesterday, their goalkeeper, well, both goalkeepers did well in the penalty shootout. Just their goalkeeper done a little bit better. Have a couple of days rest and start for the upcoming season.
I'm much disappointed because we went there with high hopes, but that is football. Sometimes you don't get what you want. We give out our best, but it was one of those days, and then we couldn't qualify. We are disappointed, but that is not the end of the game. We have to keep on going because we have targets, and then we are going to keep on working. It's part of the game. Even the best players miss penalties. You can score like 20 penalties in 20, but you can mix the one in a competitive game. So it's normal. It's part of the game. We lost, and then we lost as a team, and then we are really disappointed. But that is not the end. We are going to keep fighting to the. It's me and qualify. So right now we have to come back and prepare, for the domestic league, which we are really focused. That is the only opportunity we have to redeem our image and make the fans proud. So we are going to work really hard and then make sure we start the league on a good note.